Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share the AI Manga Filter feature. Start by using a sample character as a reference, then choose a Webtoon style. Just wait a moment, and with one click, you can generate a brand new Webtoon style avatar. Alright, now let me switch to another style. Let's go with a manga style this time. Wait a second. The manga filter style image of the sample will be generated. The result is amazing. Next, I'll switch to a Studio Ghibli anime art style. Again, just a quick wait. The software can quickly generate a new avatar image for the sample in a Ghibli-inspired style. The effect is really nice. Finally, I've selected a cute Chibi style. Again, just a moment of waiting, and the result looks quite adorable. Hope you enjoy this feature, and I'll see you next time.